What's up, Innate?
Hey.
Dr. Adana.
Dr. Chris.
At the end of the month, on the 26th, we are having a hormone workshop. Typically in the past, when we have a hormone workshop, we just talk about us gals. We talk about women's health, we talk about women's hormones because they're just a smidge complicated than yours. However,
I don't even know we had hormones until
it's kind of unfair because we have male patients who have asked us in the past, what about us? Why can't you do a men's health workshop? So we're gonna do a women's and a men's hormone health workshop. So join us on the 26th to not only learn about women's health and women's hormones, but to learn about men's health, to talk about testosterone, to talk
that's
about...
a big one because the TRT therapy and all that stuff I hear ads on the radio, we're gonna talk about all that stuff.
Yes. And that's not the only hormone, of course. So Dr. Chris is going to talk a lot about how to support not only your hormones, but your adrenals, what to do with certain foods and nutrition and everything else worked in, and exercise too, and how that contributes. Stress or doesn't contribute. Okay. So the workshop will be at 5:45 in the evening on the 26th. Looking forward to seeing you there. Tell your friends too and your family and drag your partner along. See you then.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.